You will have heard a lot about SEO if you are someone dealing with or owning a website. The process of making your websites more visible on Google and other search engines whenever someone searches for them is known as search engine optimization, or SEO. Its ultimate goal is to help attract website visitors who will convert into customers, clients, or a returning audience. When done correctly, it can help your brand stand out from the competition and further enhance the user experience for your brand and website. The two main elements of SEO are on-site and off-site SEOs. On-site SEO refers to the improvements to be applied to the content on your site to ensure that it's search engine friendly, such as the structure of your website, adding keywords to various portions of each page and others. Off-site SEO strategies, on the other hand, aim to raise your own ranking by working on websites other than yours. The main component of it is link building, also known as backlinks, which is the process of trying to get other respectable, popular websites to link back to your website. What you should keep in mind is that it should be considered a long-term process, not one that provides quick results. Your SEO can be influenced by a variety of factors, including who you compete with, the size of the company, years in business, and your own on-site and off-site SEO efforts. So, use the various SEO practices to improve your website, keeping in mind that developing your digital presence is an ongoing process. Now, what are you waiting for? Get the ball rolling. If you are in need of any help, contact us at info@uheroglobal.com or visit us at uheroglobal.com.